Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the Blade Review channel. Out and about on the Royal Enfield Classic 350 today, and I'm heading to have a look at what is claimed to be the oldest iron bridge left in Scotland. Now, as usual, I don't take the direct route because I should have went through the city to get there. However, I'm going through the back roads to get there because it's just better and better for filming. I've just left the edge of Dundee here on the western side of it, just past Camperdown Park, and we're heading out. I'm going to cut across the Stidlaw Hills and cut back into Dundee on the eastern side. Beautiful canopy of trees that we've just passed through. Always enjoy riding past that. The weather today is just perfect for riding about in the motorcycle. It's a little bit breezy. Perhaps you can see the wind generator up there. That place in the corner's called Pine Cones. It's always busy. It must be a gold mine. In front of you, as always, is the beautiful sight of the Stidlaw Hills, and once again you won't get to see the elevation of it because the cam is flat and all. This is the first time I've actually recorded anything since I come back from a trip to Europe. Highly successful it was, but I'll tell you, it took me a long time to recover. It took me a week. I was so tired at night time. It just shows how much it takes out on you, but I made it and I got through it. I've already got a couple of videos out from a tour, but plenty more to come. Once again, it's a different format this year to the one that I had last year. Under just doing the great rides. Not showed you anything from mainland Europe. Not sure you will get to see it. It isn't particularly interesting, I would say. Although I might put some stuff on Blairy Extra. I've been doing that. The last shot clip got 1100 views. That was the cop car and the lorry coming together. That would have bit the driver in the bum, I'm pretty sure about that. I've been out on the bike plenty of times. The weather's been fantastic. However, I've not recorded anything because I haven't been anywhere that was interesting enough to record. But today, I thought I'd just say hello to everyone. Today is something like 28th of July or something like that. Oh, I've been on the start, whatever it is. 27th, 28th, something like that. As we career into August, where's the year gone, eh? The NT1100 performed flawlessly when I was away. I did 3,300 and something miles in total, so about 1,000 miles more than I did last year. That can be attributed to two things. One of them is the extra ride to Hull, there and back, as opposed to Newcastle. And secondly, I went way further north than I did last year in Norway. Oh boy, what a wonderful place. Now, it's very unlikely that I'm ever going to go back to Norway on my own bike. Highly unlikely. It's just hard work, and there's so many days that you waste of your 15 days. Half of it is getting there and back. I'm planning to go there next year with my wife. We're going to fly across, we're going to hire a car, and I'm going to take her round that beautiful part of Norway, because she was quite taken by it. So another tour done and dusted, loved it to bits. Tyres, brand new tyres before I went away, and that's 3,500 miles on them now. And they are a little bit squared off, unfortunately. Still tons of tread left, of course. And the little bit of squaring off doesn't affect the ride. Not sure it's this one, but you never know. Let's have a look, eh? Yes, it is indeed. This is it. So we're crossing the Dighty Burn, but this is not the bridge I'm talking about. Now, I think it's this one. I think if I go down this way, it's off-road, it counts. Yeah, this is it. I should have come up that other road. And here we are here. A little bit of a walk. Right, we'll leave the bike there. Should be fine. It's looking splendid. And there's a little bit of a walk down here, so let's go and see what it looks like. So this is Linlathen East Bridge. It goes over the Dighty Burn. It was part of the Linlathen estate when there was one here. And here we are here. So it dates from 1795 to 1810 from when it was built. I reckon it was 1804. Some guy called David Graham had built the bridge for the Linlathen estate. Look at that. Isn't that pathetic? Bunch of morons. And there we go there. So the oldest iron bridge in Scotland. That looks like a nest of some description, doesn't it? Never been here before. The water on the Dighty Burn is absolutely clear. Very nice. So they renovated this a few years ago. It fell into disrepair. And they brought it back to life. And there's a view of the Dighty Burn. And very nice it is too. Apparently it uses the same design as a bridge that goes over somewhere in Sunderland. Looked it up, of course, so. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little bit of video. Very windy here today, but the drone handled it quite well. The bike's looking fantastic. Out of breath walking up that bloody hill. Right, so from a sunny Dundee, Linlathen Estate. Don't think the house exists anymore, mind you. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.